underneath the hood, we have our battery cover right here. There's a couple little tabs, fore and aft. You just want to press in on that. On both of these here, I'm going to lift up this whole unit. I'm going to swing this up and away to expose our battery. Using a 10mm socket, go ahead and remove the terminal. Once you have the tailgate lifted up, you want to go ahead and use a small pick and open up this rear little door. Just pull that down. It's going to expose a Torx bit right there. I'm going to go ahead and use a T30 Torx bit to go ahead and remove this. There's going to be a series of plastic push pins that secure this back hatch panel on. I'm going to go ahead and start with a trim tool, get underneath, and then we're going to use assistance of another one to come along and pop this out. I'm going to work our way around the front section here, or the top. Once this comes down, there'll be a harness right here. You want to press in on this little tab right here, disconnect the harness. You can remove the hatch panel. Next, remove these 3 Torx bit screws using a T30. You want to go ahead and grab the unit, feed it up into the tailgate panel. Work this out, and once you get it out, you want to remove this connector. We're going to go ahead. I'm going to go ahead and use a pick. I'm going to release this little lock tab right here. Press in on the black tab and disconnect it. You want to go ahead and take your connector, line this up, press until it clicks, press your lock. You also want to pay attention to that this replacement part will need to be programmed from the manufacturer or the dealer. So once this is done, you will have a light on the dash. It is going to have to be flashed or programmed from the computer so the computer can see it. Feed the component. Feed the component up into the tailgate. With the unit installed, I'm going to go ahead and line up our ports and get our screws all started by hand. Once these are all in, go ahead and snug them all down. We're going to start when we install our rear hatch panel or cover. These little clips right here, there's a metal one here and a metal one here. These will press inward, and then there's a series of these plastic post clips here that push upward and lock in. Let's go ahead and raise the panel. Install our connector right here. Press that till it clips. Press on our little lock tab there. and push upward to lock in our post. Go ahead and install our screw right here. Pop our cap on, and you're all set. Let's go ahead and reconnect the ground terminal in the battery. I'm going to take our cover, line that up. You want to make sure that the tabs are lined up on the side over here, and just press this down. We're locked in.